Hi guys, welcome back. I'll show you how you can make this underwater look in After Effects, a motion graphic editing program. So there will be a blue background and then there will be bubbles and also these light rays from above the water, and then we're going to make a text that's jiggly and wavy. New composition, 1080p, 60 fps, 15 seconds. And then click on OK, and then let's make the background. Right click, new, solid, make it black, go to effects and presets, look for color gradient, drag it into the black solid, and then for this one let's pick a lighter shade of blue, just like this. Hold on. And then for this, a lighter shade as well, and then for this one a darker shade of blue, just like so. And then lastly for this, a darker shade of blue, just like this. Then you want to increase the blend, just like so. And then once you're done with the colors, just like this, maybe we should pick a lighter shade of blue for this as well. Once you're done, let's create the light rays. To do this, create another black solid, right click on the left side of the timeline, new solid, and then make it black, and then go to fractal noise under effects and presets, and then drag the fractal noise into the second black solid, and then yeah, do it like this. And then what we're going to do now is to type light ray and then drag CC light rays into this. So as you can see, the light rays are blocked by, these black areas, these black clouds, that's to say. And then what we're going to do now is to increase the radius so that the rays get stronger. Then you can decrease the warp softness. You can further increase the radius again, just like this, right? And then what we're going to do is to do this, decrease the opacity, and then simply just increase the contrast levels. This will do. And then change the blending mode to right click, blending mode, and then change it into hard light. Fancy, isn't it? So you can further decrease the the opacity of it. Then you can increase the intensity as well, just like so. Ooh, fancy. Then you can decrease the radius, and then decrease the softness even, just like so. And then to animate the rays so that the rays look glowing, turn on the stopwatch for evolution, and then at 15 seconds, let's say if we hold on, at this duration we change the evolution to 1, I guess. Yeah, this will do. And then what we're going to do now is to blur it. So blur, decrease the opacity a bit. No, we don't have to. Blur, camera lens blur, drag it into the second solid. And then simply increase the radius, just like this. And then we're going to zoom this black solid, scale, and then do it like this so that the rays will actually appear from some points above this line. Then we simply just decrease the radius so that the rays are more visible, and then we get to mask it. Use the pen tool, and then only select the upper area. Hold on. Just like this. Alright, hold on now. And then we're going to mask it. No. We've masked it. And then let's increase the feather amount to this, for example. Hold on. This will do. And then we're going to decrease the opacity a bit, so it looks like this pretty much. Our light rays are coming alive, just like this. And then let's add the bubbles, shall we? So right click, new solid, and then black, make it black, and then you know, drag the snowfall effects into it. And then you simply increase the size of the snowfall, and then you simply reduce the flake amount, change the blending mode into screen, just like this, so that they look like bubbles. Keep decreasing the number of flakes actually. This will do. And then alright, I think we have to change the size to this probably, and then for the speed we're going to decrease it a bit. We're going to decrease it to this so that it's much slower. All done now. Pretty realistic now. Let's create a jiggly text. So for example, I click on the type tool and then I type in tongue tips, for example, and then I make this color of the text this shade of blue, for example. Hold on, this shade of blue, and then I'm going to blur it a bit. So camera blur, camera lens blur, and then I drag it into the text just like so, and then right click, transform, and then center anchor point, right click, transform, and then center in view, just like this. Maybe I select the wrong color actually. So I pick this one, I guess. Yeah, this would do. This would do. And then we're going to add some glossy material. Glass, CC glass, drag it into the text layer. And then put it on top, just like this. And then simply increase the height. So it looks like this pretty much. And then for the light, change the direction to this maybe. Hold on. We're going to animate this actually. So all we have to do now is to turn on the stopwatch for light direction, and then here I'm going to change it into this direction, just like so. And then we're going to add the jiggly effects. Turbulent displays, just like this. Drag it into the text layer. Ooh, fancy. Alright. But let's change the blending mode into this would do, linear light. And then we're going to turn, you know, turn down the opacity, and then add 3 seconds. Click on the diamond to make a new keyframe, and then add 4 seconds. Increase the opacity a bit so that, you know, it's at 100%, just like this. It's jiggly. It looks underwater even. And then let's actually change the color of the text to this shade, so that, you know, the text looks bubbly, just like this. Fancy, isn't it? That's it pretty much about how you can create this underwater look. And then there's this wiggly text as part of the underwater look itself. Thank you for watching, guys. It looks mesmerizing, especially with the light rays on top. Right? Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao!